Daddy?
As if we weren't heavy enough.
Yeah.
Load them both down. Top them off.
Look how beautiful it looks.
Small, so we've seen the waves here.
Big old whales. Look at those big old whales. Hippies for days, baby.
Look at them holding hands, they're so cute.
Do you see that thing, guys? Make a loud noise, make it move.
That's about the size of the one that ran by me in the yard.
That's
GOANNA.
wild.
That's cool.
That's much bigger than I was expecting him. I don't like him. That's for sure.
Here. Straight to the fire, huh? Oh, look what Silas has for you. That was nice. Boys already got a fire rolling. I seen you getting smoked out a minute ago. No?
Yeah.
All right, sorry guys, but see you in a few hours.
Boys keeping the fire rolling. What, girl? No, you did not. No, you did not. What? She just slid down and standing up. Oh, wipe out. Nice, girl. Oh. Yeah. Oh, a little pop shove it. Woo! That's it.
Trying to grind that big root.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, Calvin. You got this done.
Oh! You pick it up? Whoa! Holy moly, girl. You're so strong.
I can carry it out here.
Come on, girl. Woohoo! Yeah, Raya. Good job.
Come on. It's a dish.
What you doing?
Getting suited up because Mama's about to go get on some big fish. Yeah, you'll be able to see the huge tuna. I'll be like this.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so if
Shaking
you see
like a
me
leaf?
like that.
Remember trying to hold him in Fiji? Hey, have fun. This is where our friends are camping for the next week or so. Pretty sweet little setup. Hey, Bubba. Hi, Cadence. With your surf leash as a leash. She's gonna get you, Araya. Ooh. Get her, Cadence. Let her have it. Let me see. Can I see? Can you show me? Oh, Gracie. Thank you. Cookie? This is such a sick campsite. Right on the beach. All the families are here, enjoying themselves. Bubba's sad because his mama went fishing without him. So mom went fishing. The boys got Xander. And I'm gonna make a sandwich real quick. Woo. Well, ham, cheese, mayonnaise, and mustard. Can't go wrong with that. That's how we do it here in Stratty, huh? Just bury him alive. We'll come back in a week for you. So we enjoy this, huh? We're doing the flips. Dig them out. How's it going, sis? Having a little sandwich? Someone make you one? That's nice. Nice. All right, they're coming back. Let's see what they got. Honestly, Nelson, I think they might have got something because I don't think Allie would come back empty-handed.
Fingers crossed, man.
They at least one.
He thinks our lures are too big because all the baits are like this big.
Gotcha.
Like we're in the school of them, but we were so close to these whales. Literally, this whale was seriously so close.
Did you get some footage?
I think he had his GoPro on. It was wild. It was literally like right next to us.
That's
it was
so cool.
Insane. And then we were in the middle of the tuna schools the whole entire time. Like,
Did you get some footage?
I hope so. What a beautiful, fun day. Huh? What's going on?
Nothing right now. Hopefully something here shortly.
I think they're gone. They've been and gone.
Dang.
Pretty bad.
Daddy got a fish. Can you say fishy? What'd you get?
I think that's what they call a brim here. Pretty sure they got to be 10 inches though.
What is it called?
I think it's a brim. I'm not really sure, but we'll find out later. But it's got to be 10 inches, I'm pretty sure.
Nice. Yay. Perch and a couple little kangaroos on top. That's so cool. Oh my god. Araya, what is that?
That's all the kangaroos.
We are on our way home from the campsite and we just found all the kangaroos. Talk to them. Look at that one, it's huge.
What do you think about the fire, Bubba? Oh, you blowing on it? You're so cute. What are you doing? Oh, be careful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the subscribe button, like and comment below, and here's a link to another one of our adventures. Phew!